How to remove best friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen and then scroll down. Tap on My Friends and select on any friend that you'd want to remove as a best friend. So tap on their profile over here, and at the top right corner you can see three dotted lines. So here, if you want to term them as best friend, you can simply term them as pin this particular person as your BFF. So for this you need to have a Snapchat premium version. So if you do not have it, then you'll not be able to do or regard this particular person as a best friend. So if you have the Snapchat premium version, then you'll be able to remove best friends on Snapchat by simply tapping on manage friendship. Here you'll be able to see the option of remove friend. So in order to remove best friends on Snapchat, you'll have to remove the friend as well, and in this way you'll be able to remove your best friends on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.